develop customized solutions based on our clients' blueprints, tolerances, and budgets, offering professional, direct service that is fully adaptable to all their requirements. We use high-precision laser welding equipment from renowned brands. This precision minimizes heat-affected zones, thereby ensuring a clean weld with a reduced tendency for distortion.
This machine is affordable, compact, and easy to operate, making it an ideal choice for those starting a business. At SteelMaMa Factory, we specialize in the design and manufacture of roll forming machines and lines. We supply roll forming